so today I thought I would vlog again, but today is senior ditch day like I've been telling you guys about for a while. So we're going to the beach. Here's my best friend.
Hey.
And then, let's see if this will focus. He's driving, he's in the passenger seat. So, that's what's going on, but I will vlog when we get to the beach. Now don't go wasting my precious time with the voltage running through the skin. Sitting there with no control. She gonna teach me how to swim. So, ooh, girl, shock me like an electric field. Picked up these sunglasses that have hearts on them. They're super cute. I've been wanting these forever. Thanks for making a fart noise, Christian. But we just got done shopping. It was only like 30 minutes of shopping, but then I just lost my...
Take a stop. I pooped my pants.
But then I thought I just lost my cell phone, and I about had a heart attack. But yeah, you want to show them your new sunglasses?
They have little anchors on them.
Yeah, they're so cute. I love them. But this is the plan. We're gonna go try to find a charger for her selfie stick because she has a selfie stick. Then we're going to go get Subway. And then we're gonna walk to the beach and lug everything with us. And me and her are gonna go do like a small workout. And then we're gonna relax at the beach for the rest of the day and then go out to dinner. So that's the plan. Hi guys. Say hi, Christian.
What's up?
It's so hot. So we just got out of the ocean and literally I got soaked head to toe because our boyfriends took us way out there and we are soaking wet. My hair is like, I was like, okay, no hair or makeup wet. It's all off. Hair is just crazy. So it's gonna do its thing tonight. There's them taking selfies. There's the ocean. Let's see if I can focus it. Here we go. But are you having a fun time?
Yeah.
Me too. It's super fun. But we're gonna go out to dinner tonight, to a really nice dinner, and look at my makeup. Oh my god, it's so bad. Ooh. Hey guys, so right now I am out to dinner with everybody. Everybody's on their phones. You don't have his phone with them.
Guys,
Say hi.
I'm a damn good looking guy.
No.
I'm a good looking son of a...
Really big lollipop.
Oh my god, that's huge. Let's go show the crickets on the outside.
Excuse me?
Oh yeah. We should have tried these guys.
We'll come back and try them. Okay, Megan, I'll try them.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You'll try a cricket with me?
They let you know you bring out the roses from out of.
Hi guys. Hey, you want to show them your things you just bought?
See? Those are cute, huh?
Cute. Which one are you gonna give to Ella? That one.
Yeah.
That one has a diamond in it.
Like, I'm ready. Okay.
Dogs are like, he's like, oh, did I regret this?
He's like up.
Oh my god, that's so cute! Hi! Oh my god, I want to go pet him! Oh, how cute! I think we're dead. We've had a long day. Oh, I look fat like that angle. No, thank you. Ew. I'll let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for? Yeah, we are good. we need to go on The Voice. Vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.